Hi, Steve J here to tell you about a revolutionary new product called the Mystic Rainwater Collection System by Odie.
The Mystic fits easily right into your downspout gutters.
This affordable product is easy to install, and it'll save you money by collecting Earth's most natural resource, pure rainwater.
The pure rainwater that you can use at your disposal whenever you need it.
Here's how it works.
Rainwater travels down the spout and is collected on the sides. Large debris just go right down the center.
The rainwater that you collect can be used on your plants and flowers, which is much healthier than city water that contains added chemicals.
Your grass will be greener. Your flowers will be healthier and fuller.
Order your Mystic Rainwater Collection System today. Here's how.
Order yours today. Call now.